Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix can't swipe between full screen applications on Mac. So if you can't swipe between full screen app on your Mac, the feature may be turned off on the trackpad settings or configured with a different gesture. To fix it, first up, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings. After that, scroll down all the way in the left side pane and then go to Track. Now here, move to More Gestures. And here, as you can see, I have turned off swipe between full screen applications. That's why swipe gesture is not working on my Mac. To fix it, click on the drop down menu right to it, and here you have three different options. Usually Mac users choose swipe left or right with three fingers. So you can choose this, or either you can choose swipe left or right with four fingers. After making the change, open two full screen applications and swipe left or right on the trackpad using the selected gesture. If you have selected three fingers, then swipe with three fingers, or if you have selected four fingers, then swipe with four fingers. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.